see you. I wanna know how you've been doing. We don't under. Yo, you know, see a friend of McGregor saying that you're tuning to what DJ Darren, the town and road guys, on the extra Pacific. Big time.
Where my ladies at? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at?
I never thought I'd be in love like this. When I look at you, my mind goes on a trip. Then you came in and knocked me on my face. Feels like I'm in the race, but I already won first place. I never thought I'd fall for you as hard as I did. You got me thinking about our life, our house, and kids. Yeah. Every morning I look at you and smile. 'Cause boy, you came around and you knocked me down, knocked me down. Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down. Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down.
I never thought I'd hear myself say, y'all go ahead. I think I'm gonna kick it with my girl today. I used to be commander-in-chief for my pimp, flying high. Till I met this pretty little missile, shot me out the sky. Scared to know I'm crashing, don't know how it happened, but I know it feels so damn good. Said if I could go back and make it happen faster, don't you know I would, baby, if I could. Yes, independent to the fullest. The load never too much, she ain't helping me bullet. She ain't shot the bullet, fed into that life. I was ready to use the paving me, just die tonight. But sometimes love
Comes
it comes around.
and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down,
When it knocks you down.
Sometimes love
Comes around.
and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down.
Tell me now, can you make it past your Caspers so we can finally fly off into NASA? You was always the cheerleader of my dreams. It seemed to only take the head of football teams, and I was the class clown. I always kept you laughing. We were never meant to be, baby. We just happened. So please don't mess up the trick. Hey, young world, I'm the new slick Rick. They say I move too quick, but we can't let this moment pass us. Let the hourglass pass right into ashes. Let the wind blow the ash right before my glasses. So I wrote this love letter right before my classes. I could've got us someone that's only average for advice. OMG, you listen to that. Woe is me, baby, this is tragic. 'Cause we had it, we was magic. I was flying, now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad, Michael Jackson. Now I'm mad, real mad, Joe Jackson. You should leave your boyfriend now.